So stay tuned for today's update. Alright, check this out. The motor's out. It's right there. It's over there. We have a mess on our hands, but we managed to pull the motor out. So we're gonna put the other engine on it, get it all together, clean this up, and see if we can make it run today. Can't promise you guys anything, but it's just an update, honestly, right now, because we have no idea honestly what we're doing, but we're gonna do it anyway. We have you guys over here putting everything to spec. Alright, so I don't know why I recorded last, but we have the engine. We put the header just a little bit, just enough so it won't make a lot of sound. We're gonna put the intake. We're lowering the car. We're gonna see if it starts for the first time. I mean, it's all dirty, but we're gonna clean all this shit up. So stay tuned for more. The speaker turns on. Let's see if it starts. So as y'all heard, the car runs. Right now we're gonna connect the AC compressor and everything, make sure that it's all good. I'm gonna clean that because it's full of crap, and connect the exhaust and everything. And we're gonna turn it on for the second time so you guys will hear it, and that's gonna be it for this video. So once you guys hear the car running again, that's gonna be it. But yeah, stay tuned for more because this car is looking good. And there's no plans for it, but we're gonna show what we're gonna do with it. But there's plans. So this is how the car sounds with the steering fluid topped off. Really healthy.